What's up, guys? Welcome back. I know it has been a long time that I haven't been posting, but this just came in. What the hell? Someone's moaning in the background. Who's getting fuck over there? What the hell? So we got these sway bar right here. We're gonna be installing the front ones and the back ones. Right now, my brother right here, pretty much he's gonna race up the car. As you guys can see, it's ready. We're gonna do the back ones first. And then over there we have my cousin cooking, grilling. The one with the white. What's up, guys? Yeah, so this is Danny right here. Yeah. Gonna eat some chicken right now, but yeah. So right now we're gonna jack this on the back first and then get to you guys. Alright, pretty much we already have the car up in the air. Now we're gonna pretty much unbox the things that I got. Alright then, so pretty much I got the two of them, which they came with this already, and I think it has grease. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. Damn, they're heavy. I think that's the front one. That's the front one. Right now we're gonna compare them once we take them off. I think that's the back one. It has to be. Yeah, this is the back one.
They're adjustable too.
Yeah, so these have 3 of them, and I know the Stirling one has 2. That's the reason I went for these. And what I heard and noticed that these are thicker than the Stirling ones. So that's the reason I went with these. And what it came with? Oh, it came with some stickers right here. Yeah. So right now we're gonna take the back ones off. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna go down there real quick. Oh goddamn, I'm falling. Oh goddamn. I don't know if you guys can see it. Just wait until I take it off and I'll show you guys what you gotta remove to take that shit off. So yeah. Alright guys, so the first thing, there's like 3 nuts right there. It's like plastic.
This is a screw holding the bushing.
Yeah.
And you have to take it off.
So pretty much unscrew that one, the 3 of them. That way you can get to the bushing right here, as you guys can see, which is one right here, and then right here, there's the plastic right here covering it. So we're gonna take that off right now. It's pretty much done over there. Just taking out the left one. There, he took out 3, as you guys can see.
Plastic on both sides.
And now
you can see the nut right here.
Yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Now you're gonna loosen up the.
It's connected to the
right here.
arm or something like that.
The link thingy, whatever.
916, by the way.
You already unscrew it. I already unscrewed it right here. You guys can see. Now it's pretty much taking out the right here. These right here. So yeah. All right, guys. So we managed to take it off. You guys can see this one's way thicker than the OEM one. Look at that.
It's like double.
Yeah. So it was a bitch. So pretty much we have to take out the one exhaust. I don't know if you guys can see hanging there. So take this motherfucker out. But yeah, now
it comes with everything. I don't gotta worry about nothing.
Yeah. So right now we're gonna show you where to loop, and that's it. And you just put it back on. Alright guys, pretty much you gotta take these off. You gotta loop the inside. Put some in there, like that. Then you just rub it in there.
Ooh, I like that. Scoop it.
Nah, it's fine. Alright then. So right here too. Pretty much on this right here. Just everywhere.
I like the way you loop.
This is pretty sticky, man. Alright. So pretty much do that. Put it on the thing. Same thing with the other one. Open it again one more time.
All right then.
And that's it. And then pretty much put it in there.
Alright guys, so as y'all can see, we did the back one over there.
Alright then.
Yeah, and now the front one you can see is this one right here. And to take it off, you gotta take out all these bolts, focus, these, the ones that hold up the plastic tray. Those. All the way. Take it down
To the floor.
and then you'll be able to see that sway bar. This one should be easier than the front one. It should just drop straight down. Let's get it.
Alright guys, so pretty much this one's way easier. Hold it on the light please. Right here like that. Pretty much just take this one off right here. And then these two right here. That's about it. The same size 9/16. This is way easier than on the back one. So pretty much take this off and put the other one. That's it.
Just drop it down and let's say you don't have to finagle nothing. Just put it on and take it off. That's all.
So yeah, I'm gonna put them on right now, real quick. Alright guys, so pretty. God damn, I was choking on a cigarette over there.
Can you stop smoking, please? Thank you.
Alright guys, so this is the front ones. This is the OEM. As you guys can see, this one's way thicker than the OEM one. So pretty much, like I said, loop the inside, loop the outside, and that's about it. Plug and play. The front ones are easier than the back ones. Go try this out. We're about to hit the candies, like you guys can see. We're about to get up there. Once we get up there, we can see how this shit handles. Right now, that was driving on regular. On the cart, feels great, man. Fucking feels good. Right now, we're just waiting because there's a lot of cars passing by. I'm gonna have like a little open right now to try it out.
There was a lot of cars.
So right now, I'm gonna give it a little go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. This is the first start.
Coming. All right then.
Alright guys, so pretty much I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I don't have nothing much, but that thing, I feel a whole lot difference. I know you guys see my car as well, like raced up a little bit. Because I'm still waiting for the set of wheels. So yeah, I gotta stay tuned on that. I know I've been saying that all the time in the vlogs and all that, but it's taking forever, man. But yeah, this is the setup right now. I got my brothers. I gotta tell Adam, how do you feel the car?
Well, I'm always with him, so before he got the suspension and the sway bars, it felt like a lot of body roll. But when he put the What you call that, motherfucker?
The hot chick sway bars, man, he felt a lot different. I did, like, my shit was hugging the road, man. That shit feels so good, I swear, man. I just can't wait for the rims, though, with the new tires. By the way, guys, I already got the back calipers. I'm gonna sand them down, paint them, and do a part 2. That way I can show you how to put the brake steel lines, because I know I didn't show much when I was putting these right here. And look at these. Damn, the color, man. That color, I don't know, I love that color. It goes with the white. Yeah, guys. So, peace.